Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever set an alarm to remind yourself to take medicine every day? Or maybe you've scheduled your phone to go on silent at night, automatically? Yeah, we do these little things to save effort, stay consistent, and make sure we don't forget important tasks. Now, what if your website could do the same? Imagine this: sending emails on its own, backing up files on time, or running scripts without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what a cron job does. It's like setting an alarm clock, but for your website. You set it once, and it just works, automatically, like clockwork. And don't worry, if this sounds a bit technical, I promise, we're gonna break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll get it in minutes. If you still don't have fast and reliable hosting, check out YouStable. They offer super affordable hosting plans with the latest version of cPanel, powerful servers, and 24/7 support that actually replies when you need help. Perfect if you want your cron jobs and your entire website to run smoothly. All right then, let's jump in and learn how to set up a cron job using cPanel. Cron jobs help in reducing routine administrative works. They area a series of tasks that the system runs from a script file. These tasks are run repeatedly at the time or interval you set in your cron job. Let's create a cron job. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click the Cron Jobs. Scroll down to the Common Settings menu. Here you can set the time interval for your cron jobs as per your requirements. Some configured settings of time intervals are already given. Go and click to open the drop-down list. Different settings specify when specifically the cron job runs. Let's choose the time interval setting, once per day. Notice that the system automatically populated the text boxes given below. The cron job will run at the beginning of an hour, at 12 a.m. every day. You can continue with one of the settings provided by the system, or also set your time interval. Suppose you want the ask to complete at 9:30 a.m. every Monday. Let's fill in the customized time settings. Now, enter the command you want to run in the command field. You must fill in the exact command in the box to run the cron job. Now, click Add New Cron Job. The cron job has been successfully created. Thank you for watching,